Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you guys can probably tell from the title what we're gonna be doing in today's video, and today I will be using henna slash mehendi to tint my eyebrows. You guys would have probably seen a lot of these videos, people getting their henna tattooed brows professionally. I'm not sure if Pakistan mein bhi hota hai ye, but I decided to give this a go myself, so it's more like an experiment. So let's get right into it. What I'm using today is basically this henna cone that I got on Eid. You can use any cone that you can find. I'd recommend don't use the Singhar wali cone that's usually available Eid ke time pe. You guys, I'm editing this video right now and I'm hella freaked out. It's like green or red color ki hoti hai. Do not use that because that cone is very orangey red and you definitely don't want your eyebrows to go completely reddish, brownish. I don't know. When I used this on my hand on Eid, it was really dark brown. This is a better option for the brows, but still, it's an experiment. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking this mehendi slash henna out on the back of my eyeshadow palette, and this should do it. This much is enough. Next, I'm going to be using this eyebrow brush from Beautify by Amna, and I'm just going to dip it in this and start drawing the hairs of my eyebrow. My eyebrows are a total mess because I haven't done them ever since Eid. You might want to take your time with this one क्योंकि ये मेहंदी है and अगर गलत shape हो गया. So let me just tell you that this mehendi was really hard to get off, and if you ruin the shape, your eyebrows are gone. You're doomed. After doing the top, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start lining the bottom of my eyebrow, and then I'm going to pack the product into the brow क्योंकि मैंने usually जो Instagram पे videos में देखा है, what they do is that बहुत thick paste लेके and they cover the entire eyebrow in that. But I'm not going to do that because I'm not a crazy person and I'm not a professional, and I don't want to end up with really weird black brows. So the shape looks pretty good, but I'm scared because I feel like it's going to be reddish brown. Honestly, if I have orange brows, it's going to look really bad. The color red aane wala hai and I'm doomed. My mom's going to kick me out of the house. She'll be like, kya bakwas hai? Now I'm going to be doing the other brow and I will be right back. So you guys, I am done with this brow as well. Anyways, abhi ho rahe hain 3:40 and we're going to be waiting for 20 minutes at least for the mehendi to go darker. So guys, I'm back. It's 4 baje and it's time for me to remove the henna and see how well it worked. I got myself cotton face pads and मैं क्या करूँगी कि I'm going to be using rose water. You can even use simple water, but this was like right here, so I'm too lazy to go and make it damp. I'm going to wipe off and बहुत मुश्किल से हट रहा है. Oh my god, you guys, I think you can tell that it's red. Oh my god, my eyebrows red हो चुकी हैं officially. I have no idea what I'm going to be doing about that. And ये बहुत ही मुश्किल से हट रहा है. Oh my god, my eyebrows are officially barbad. Please, you guys, do not try this at home. अम्माओं ने घर से पकड़ के निकाल देना है. You guys, so this is the final result of this henna tattoo whatever experiment. Honestly, अगर इसका color थोड़ा सा अच्छा आ जाता, so this was not an epic fail, okay? This would have been really good because it would look really nice. It's just the color is really bad, you know. So this is pretty much it. Do not try this at home because honestly it went horribly wrong. Do not try this experiment at home. If you want to get it done by a professional. I honestly did it to see whether my over efficient self can do it or not, but unfortunately बहुत ही बुरा result आया है. So I don't know how I'm gonna step out of my room with this because my mom's going to kill me. Anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to do more videos like these, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, goodbye.